Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is paycheck number 1 of May. Also, I would like to say happy Mother's Day, and you guys are amazing and keep on grinding. So let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so you guys know this is my cash envelope system where I use this as my wallet, and when I leave the house I always take this with me. So I'm actually gonna switch it out today and I'm gonna show you guys what I do. So let's get right into it. So this is the A7 size, right? And I'm gonna switch out to these zipper envelopes. These are the A7 size envelopes also, and I'll be using these bling stickers, and I got these in black. So it comes with 110 stickers, so it's 2 packs in here. So here it goes. This is what they look like. Black glitters with black bling, black gems, all pretty. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys how I do this. So I'm gonna take my first envelope and it's gonna be groceries. So we're gonna get the G. So here's grocery. I could have did the IES, but then it would have been off a little bit, so I just did the Y for grocery instead of groceries. And then the next one is gas, and instead of having these 2 zipper pulls or whatever you guys call it, zipper locks on the same side, I actually flip it over so it don't like cause bulkiness on one side. So I like to do it like this. And this one I'm gonna label it gas. Alright guys, so I'm gonna actually put it in this A7 size star binder, and I got this custom made. So you cannot purchase this, I believe you can't purchase this anywhere yet, but yeah, I'm gonna start selling this in my shop. I'm gonna sell it in black, clear, and pink star binders. So yeah, so let's put it right in. I want to see how pretty this looks. So guys, here's a flip through on how she looks like. So groceries, gas, spending, beauty, and giving will give. That is so pretty guys, I love it. So let's actually take out the money from here and switch it over to my black beauty binder. So in groceries we do have some money left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I had $6. Okay, so I have $5, and these 5s is going to my kids' piggy bank. Okay, next is spending, and we don't have any money left. In beauty we do, so I'm gonna take this money out and actually transfer it over to my other envelopes. And I do not know why I have a quarter in here. Giving is going to be transferred also, so let's put that to the side. Coins, I'm definitely gonna need to make a coins pouch for that. And my savings challenge, let's see how many 5s did we collect last week. So 5, 10, 15, and you guys already know these 5s is going into my $5 saving jar, so that's going to the side. And I'm actually gonna transfer this one over also, this envelope, instead of making a new one. But I will be transferring my coins one. I'll be making a new one for my coins because I kind of wanted to go with the black theme. So bye bye to this one. I love you forever. So it's time to switch it up guys. So for me, to keep me motivated, to keep me budgeting, I always have to switch something up. I gotta change it up a little bit just to keep me going, you know. So here is black beauty, and we're gonna be adding my savings challenge envelope in. Alright, so let's get right into bringing my iPad on screen and also utilities. Alright guys, so starting off with utilities is getting $50 as per usual. Alright, on to my cash envelopes. So groceries is getting $120. So I always do it in 20, so 20, 40, 60, 80, 120. So guys, I actually like the black color better because, you know, going to the grocery store, it kind of looks dark, so you can't really see that there's money in here. So I really like that. Next is gas, and gas is getting $40 this week. Spending is getting 20. Dang, it sucks I have to fold these crispy 20s. But it's all good. Guys, I love this. It looks so nice. Beauty is getting 20. So this is the 20 right here. And let's count how much we have in our beauty. I have 20, 40, 60, 70, 85. So we have 85 in beauty now. And this is my rewards card. Well, my bonus card. Next is giving, and giving is getting $5. So we have a total of 5, 10, 11, 12, 13 in our giving envelope. Alright, so that's it of my cash envelopes, but let's just do another flip through of Black Beauty. So groceries 120, gas is 40, spending is 20, beauty has, well, got 20, I forgot how much was in there, I think 85, and giving is 5. Alright, so let's get right into our sinking funds. So guys, this is the A7 size, like I said. So the sinking fund size are a 6 size. So let's get right into that. Alright, so starting off with my kids' savings first. So Laminated is getting 25. And in my update sinking funds video, she did just get a 1K slip. So Laminated has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,000, 125, 32, 4, 6, 8, 40. So Laminated has $5,140. Next is Jaden, and Jaden is also getting $25. So 20 and a 5. So Jaden has 1, 2, 3, 4,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 700, 25, 30. So Jaden has $4,730. And Jaden's birthday is coming up. He'll be turning 3 years old this month. So hopefully we could bump him up to 5,000 with Laminated. Next is vacation, and vacation is getting $10. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 910. So 910 in vacation. Family time is also getting $10. So we now have 102, 300, 50, 70, 85. So 385 in family time. And in clothing is getting 30 bucks. So 20, 30. So in clothing we now have 1, 2, 300, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 1, 2. So 392. Alright guys, onto our blue binder. Okay, so emergency fund is getting $20 this week. So we now have 1,000, 1, 2, 300, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 1,380 bucks. So my goal for my emergency fund is probably $3,000 to $5,000. Car maintenance is getting $100. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 650, 60. $660. So each year for Mother's Day I get roses and chocolate covered strawberries, which I love, but this year I'm super excited. I got car parts, so I'm working on performance of my car, making it faster and doing little upgrades to my car. So I'm super excited about that. My boyfriend bought me some car parts for Mother's Day this year, so that's awesome. All right, next is Debt Snowball, and Debt Snowball is getting $100. So it's sitting at $500 now. I can't wait to get rid of this envelope, you guys. Alright, next is home remodel, and home remodel is getting $50 this week. So home remodel has 1, 2, 3, 400, 50, 500, 20, 40. So we add 540 for home remodel. You guys, I just used this funds that was in home remodel to pay off my debt snowball, and now it's already sitting at 500 again. So next is health, and health is getting $40. 20, 40, 1, 200, 50, 70, 90, 310, 320. So we have 320 in health. Alright, on to my savings challenge. So my savings challenge this week is getting $85. So that's going to be a 50, 70, 85. Alright, next is my boyfriend's savings challenge, and he is stuffing $55 this week. So 55. Alright guys, onto our pink binder. So in my pink binder, we are skipping our savings envelope. Jenny, I didn't have any money left over from last week, so this is not getting stuff also. And Christmas is getting 25. And I think we hit $700 in my Christmas envelope now, but I'm not sure. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 5, 7, 9, 10. So we have 710 in our Christmas envelope. Back to school is getting $10. And we now have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 95. So 195. And last is gifts. And gifts is getting $10 also. So we have 150, 60, 70, 80. So 180 in gifts. Alright guys, so the total amount we stuffed in my cash envelopes was $255, in sinking funds was $595, and the total amount we stuffed today is $850. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.